Here's the mail, it never fails. When it comes, it makes me wanna wag my tail and wail. Meow. Yeah.
I need a Dr. Pepper.
You need a doctor? What?
Dr. Pepper.
Taking my chair, man.
Your chair?
Yeah, this is a royal throne of the beast. I get up here, sit down, and be like, King in the castle, King in the castle. But yeah, I gotta roll this in. Let you guys get a little camera action view here. First hand look at what's going on. My phone falls, I will cry. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Alright. Oh, perfect. So perfect. Hold on. Oh, here we go. So perfect.
You got this beast star right there. Oh, right there. Doing a little leg workout on the incline here. Incline up ramp. Little leg workout. No big deal. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Crashing into the wall. Oh my gosh. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. You see?
And there we go. That concludes your Matthew Grand Moment Day. Changing the soda. Oh yeah, Dr. Pepper. Yeah.